The Octa Research Group predicting that COVID-19 will become endemic in the Philippines by next year. Mobile journalist Jacob Lazaro gives us the front seat to the story.
With daily cases at their lowest since July last year, the country's healthcare system that was on the verge of collapse just a few months ago is now back on track. Average healthcare utilization rate is now at 20%. In Manila, quarantine facilities are virtually ghost towns at zero occupancy.
So this is the nurses' quarters. As you can see, there's almost no nurses or healthcare workers here, but there are a few, as you can see, as most of them were actually deployed to the vaccination sites once the cases here decrease significantly.
Christmas decorations are already up, their way of saying to each other, congratulations for a job well done.
Reward na namin yun na napagaling namin yung mga patient.
Microbiologist Father Nick Austriaco of the Octa Research Group says if the trend continues, the COVID-19 may just become an endemic. Just like the common flu, COVID would still be highly contagious, but no longer dangerous to most people, and no longer be a cause for mass hospitalizations.
If we can sustain our vaccination rates, if we can sustain our boosting, if we can obtain enough or at least some antivirals, we will be able to return to pretty much endemic levels, hopefully by next summer.
The possible disruptor would be the emergence of another new variant. But so far, Austriaco says, the Omicron variant looks to be more contagious, but less deadly than the previous variants.
It would just mean that the wave would come. We would have a large number of cases, and not as much as Delta because of the substantial population immunity that we have already. But hospitalizations would be spared.
If this happens, Austriaco says, health protocols can be further relaxed to a more normal state by middle of next year. But for healthcare workers like Dominguez, it helps to keep their guards up.
Yes, we're just on standby actually. In fact, we did well during the last surge, August and September, and we'll just be doing the same.
Mobile journalist Jacob Lazaro, we are One News.